Is it safe to stay in a water-damaged home? Let's find out. Remaining in a water-damaged home can present serious health risks and potentially compromise the property's structural integrity. Homeowners must understand the range of complications that may arise in such situations, leading to significant health complications. When water damage occurs, it creates damp conditions ideal for mold growth. This can lead to significant health issues, including respiratory problems and allergic reactions. Additionally, extended exposure to a water-damaged environment may jeopardize the home's safety, increasing the likelihood of accidents and further structural damage. Mold presents significant health risks, particularly in homes with water damage. It can cause respiratory issues and trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. When faced with mold in residential settings, it is essential to recognize the various types that may be present. One well-known type is Stachybotrys chartarum, commonly referred to as black mold. This type is infamous for releasing toxic spores that can cause respiratory distress. Other molds, such as Aspergillus and Penicillium, can also result in health complications, worsening asthma and other lung conditions. Now, research conducted by the Environmental Protection Agency indicates that nearly 21% of individuals exposed to mold reported respiratory problems, while an additional 30% experienced allergy symptoms. Children and older people are especially vulnerable to these adverse effects. Common symptoms associated with mold exposure include persistent coughing and sneezing, wheezing and shortness of breath, skin irritations and rashes, fatigue and headaches. Understanding the potential health threats and allergens posed by mold is crucial for preventing and effectively treating exposure, particularly in homes that have experienced water damage. Water damage can significantly compromise a home's structural integrity, resulting in damage that endangers the building's safety and overall value. This issue often arises from various sources, including leaky roofs, faulty plumbing, or even flooding due to heavy rainfall. When water infiltrates a home, it can seep into vital components such as the foundation and walls, causing them to weaken over time. Vigilantly monitoring moisture levels in affected areas is essential, as unchecked dampness can lead to mold growth and further deterioration. Implementing effective safety measures and preventive actions, such as installing vapor barriers and dehumidifiers and ensuring proper drainage, can significantly reduce the risk of damage. Here are a few practical steps to consider. Regularly inspect gutters to keep them clear of debris. Think about using a dehumidifier in areas that are prone to excessive moisture. Always address leaks promptly to minimize their impact. These actions will protect the home's integrity and help maintain its overall value over time. Electrical hazards are a significant concern in homes affected by water damage. Moisture can compromise electrical systems, potentially leading to shock and fire risks. When water infiltrates a home's electrical system, it creates a precarious situation. Moisture can travel through wiring and outlets, resulting in short circuits, electrical fires, or severe shocks. Homeowners must remain attentive, especially if they observe dampness or leaks. Here are some important considerations. Assess the damage. Take the time to identify areas where water has pooled or penetrated walls. Turn off power. If there is any suspicion of damage, it is critical to shut off the electricity to prevent accidents. Consult a professional. It is advisable to engage a qualified electrician for a professional inspection to conduct a thorough inspection of the situation. Neglecting these risks can lead to accidents and significantly increase repair costs, making it essential for homeowners to prioritize electrical safety in the event of water damage. Water damage can create unsafe conditions in homes, leading to slip and fall risks that may result in serious injuries for residents and visitors. Homeowners must proactively monitor areas where water accumulates, particularly during heavy rains or snow melting, as these locations can quickly become hazardous. Regular inspections of walkways and driveways for pooling water are essential, and implementing protective measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents. Simple actions such as ensuring proper drainage systems, clearing gutters, and using non-slip materials around entrances can make a substantial difference. To further enhance safety, homeowners should consider the following precautions. Drainage solutions such as French or trench drains should be installed to channel water away from high-risk areas. Applying anti-slip coatings on surfaces that are prone to becoming slick. ensuring adequate lighting in outdoor areas to help identify potential hazards, regularly removing debris from walkways and driveways to prevent water buildup, using absorbent mats at doorways to minimize moisture trapped indoors. Taking these straightforward yet effective measures can significantly minimize the risk of slip and fall accidents, creating a safer environment for everyone. Contaminated water resulting from flooding or leaks can cause significant damage to a home and pose health risks to its occupants, including mold exposure and potential allergens by contaminating personal belongings. The effects of water damage on various items can be substantial. Exposure to moisture and contaminants can compromise the integrity and safety of possessions, such as clothing, furniture, and electronics. For example, clothing made from fabrics can readily absorb water, making them vulnerable to mold growth and mildew. This risks ruining the items and can lead to unpleasant odors. Furniture, particularly those made from porous materials or with upholstery, may suffer irreversible damage over time, potentially resulting in structural issues. Electronics present another concern. Exposure to water can lead to permanent damage and create dangerous electrical hazards. In the aftermath of such incidents, homeowners should seek services that specialize in addressing these risks. These professionals can assist in salvaging, and preventing mold preventer by ensuring a safer living environment. Key services offered by these specialists may include water extraction and drying methods, mold remediation and prevention, repair and restoration of damaged items. Taking immediate action is essential to maximize the chances of recovery. Finding water damage in your home can be concerning, but it's essential to act quickly to prevent mold growth and structural damage. The first step is to identify the source of the water damage so that you can effectively tackle the root cause. Homeowners should contact professional restoration services to perform a comprehensive home inspection. These experts can initiate emergency response measures and temporary accommodation to help mitigate the risks associated with moisture buildup. Identifying the source of water damage is crucial for effective remediation. Water damage can arise from various issues such as flooding, leaks, or inadequate drainage. Understanding these familiar sources can significantly assist homeowners with home safety and hazard prevention to prevent future problems. For example, flooding, pipe leaks, poor drainage systems, damaged roofs, and overwatered plants can all lead to moisture accumulation in different ways. Flooding can extensively saturate basements and lower levels, whether caused by heavy rains or rising water tables. On the other hand, leaky pipes may quietly create damp conditions that go unnoticed for long periods. Similarly, a damaged roof can allow rainwater to infiltrate, deteriorating walls and insulation. Before embarking on restoration efforts, homeowners must conduct a thorough home evaluation and risk assessment to address these sources and prevent recurring damage properly. This proactive approach ensures a more effective and long-lasting restoration process. Once the source of water damage has been identified, contacting a professional water damage restoration company for effective remediation and recovery is essential. Engaging with remediation services ensures comprehensive management of the situation. Promptly contacting skilled experts streamlines the recovery process and ensures that valuable time and resources are not wasted. These professionals possess extensive expertise in assessing damage, enabling them to accurately identify issues that homeowners might overlook, including potential foundation damage. During a home inspection, homeowners can expect a comprehensive examination of the affected areas. Trained professionals will evaluate the extent of the damage, including hidden moisture pockets and damp environments that could lead to mold growth. They will also assess the effects of flooding and property risks. They utilize advanced technology such as infrared cameras to detect moisture. Restoration companies also profoundly understand proper mitigation techniques, including appropriate drying methods and advanced cleaning products. They coordinate with insurance providers to facilitate claims, smoothing the recovery process and helping with temporary housing arrangements if needed. This coordination alleviates much of the stress associated with such emergencies. Ultimately, engaging with these restoration services can significantly reduce the risk of long-term damage to your home. Documenting water damage is essential for insurance claims. Thorough documentation can effectively support your case in obtaining the necessary financial assistance for restoration. When addressing water damage, one cannot overemphasize the importance of detailed documentation. It protects your financial interests and creates a well-documented history of the incident, crucial during flood recovery efforts. Here are some crucial types of evidence to collect. Capture clear images of the affected areas from various angles to showcase the extent of the damage. Retain any repairs or emergency services receipts, as these will help substantiate your claims. Acquire reports from restoration services or contractors that detail the necessary repairs. This method promotes effective communication with restoration professionals and emphasizes the importance of ventilation and safety precautions, ensuring they fully understand the extent of the damage. Comprehensive documentation is also vital for supporting claims related to health risks caused by water exposure, such as mold growth. Homeowners can significantly improve their chances of achieving a successful and equitable resolution by diligently gathering this information.